Hello children, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 6, Subject Hindi, Lesson 5, Topic Deepavali. See children, this was a poem and in the last session itself we have gone through the poem here. The poem is about how we are celebrating Diwali and why we are celebrating Diwali. During that day, we will burn lights in our house. We will burn lamps and we will decorate our house. That is to remove the darkness and give light to everyone. That is the message what we get from the poem, that we have to remove the darkness inside ourselves and in the whole world, and we have to give brightness to the whole world. We have how God have decorated the sky with beautiful stars. We have to decorate the earth with beautiful lamps on Diwali day. So that was the poem what we have learnt already in the last session, children. Now we are moving on to the question answers of this lesson and other exercises. So first one is the word meanings, which was already given for you in the last session itself. Now I am giving it here again. This is your first Roman, that is meanings of the words. Now we'll move on to the second Roman, children. Second Roman is answer the following questions. So the first question, we'll move on to the first question. The first question is here for you children. तारे कहाँ टिप टिप करते हैं? Where does the stars twinkle? The question is तारे कहाँ टिप टिप करते हैं? Where does the stars twinkle? The answer is तारे आसमान में टिप टिप करते हैं. The stars twinkle in the sky. The answer is the stars twinkle in the sky. Now we'll move on to the second question, children. तारे टिप टिपाकर क्या कहते हैं? What stars want to tell us by twinkling? What does the star tell us by twinkling? तारे टिप टिपाकर क्या कहते हैं? The answer is तारे टिप टिपाकर रोशनी फैलाने का पाठ सिखाते हैं. By twinkling, stars give us a lesson to spread brightness all throughout the world. तारे टिप टिपाकर रोशनी फैलाने का पाठ सिखाते हैं. So the third question, children. Now we'll move on to the third one. आकाश किन से सजाया है? What is the sky decorated with? आकाश किन से सजाया है? The answer is आकाश तारों से सजाया है. The sky is decorated with beautiful stars. Answer is आकाश तारों से सजाया है. Fourth question, children. हमें किसको सजाना चाहिए? हमें किसको सजाना चाहिए? What should we decorate? The question is what should we decorate? हमें किसको सजाना चाहिए? And the answer is हमें धरती को दीपों से सजाना चाहिए. The answer is we have to decorate the earth with beautiful lamps. The answer is we have to decorate our earth with beautiful lamps. हमें धरती को दीपों से सजाना चाहिए. So with this your 4 question answers are over, children. Now we will move on to the third Roman, that is fill in the blanks. The answer for you here is given in red color with an underline. Just go through the answer, children. I'll read out the fill in the blanks for you. दिवाली पर हम दीप जलाते हैं. Here दीप is the answer. Second one, तारे टिप टिप करते रहते हैं. Here टिप टिप is the answer for you. Third one, आकाश सजाया तारों से. तारों is the answer for you in this. Fourth one, घर घर चमके आंगन चमके. आंगन is the answer over here, children. हम भी सजाए धरती को दीपों से. धरती is the answer over here, children, for you. Okay, children. So with this, the lesson 5 exercises for you gets finished. Just go through the exercises, all the 3 Romans, and learn and write all the Romans in your notebook. Thank you, children.